Meaning of high-res.
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 High-res. The term high-res is short for high resolution, and it refers to an image or video that has a greater number of pixels per unit of measurement. This higher level of detail leads to sharper, more lifelike images with greater clarity and depth. High-res images and videos can range from 4K displays to even higher resolutions that capture even more minute detail. This level of definition can make the viewing experience more immersive and enjoyable for consumers, especially when it comes to movies, gaming, and other digital media.